You might be very talented as a makeup artist, but you discover that when people come to you to do makeup, they don't come back. So, which means you have ones of clients. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Viana's Beauty, and in this channel, I talk everything beauty related. As I go through the process of this makeup, I want to tell you a few things that can make you a professional makeup artist and make you stand out amongst other makeup artists. Skill is very important, but skill is not the only thing to thrive as a makeup artist, especially if you are going to earn income from it. So guys, subscribe to my channel and please do give me a thumbs up, share, like, and follow the page for more videos like this. Now, this is my beautiful client. She came all the way from Cork City. I'm located in Ireland, and I do wig installs. I do makeup. I do hair. I have a salon. I'm working right here from the salon, and I just like creating content like this. So encourage me by subscribing to the channel. So I started off by applying this purple primer because I'm going to be using a purple eyeshadow. So I wanted the eyeshadow to kind of like pop out. Number one thing that make makeup artists lose clients is that makeup artists don't understand that makeup is a body contact service, which means you see the way to her face on her, like that's a very close body contact, if that makes sense. So if you're a makeup artist, it's important for your personal hygiene to be top notch, which means you have to be smelling nice, you have to shower, you have to like, you don't only shower but use use roll-ons, use body sprays. Really, your personal hygiene has to be top notch. That's number one, because it's a body contact service. Like, you'll be so much on the person's face, and it will not be nice if you're smelling sweaty or you haven't showered in days. Like, it's not just good. Personally, I remember hiring somebody to do a birthday makeup for me. Even though I'm a makeup artist, I like people doing my makeup. And this girl, she was so skillful. Like, she knew how to do makeup. She knew, if I, as a makeup artist, I'm telling you that she was on top of her game. She was on top of her game. But girl, I found myself majority of the time I could not breathe because the odor that was coming from her body, not to body shame, but like, it was not nice. It was very distasteful. Like, let me just leave it at that. The next thing is that I know your personal hygiene is very important, but your oral hygiene, which has to do with your mouth, girl, mint gum has to be your best friend if you are a makeup artist. Look at my face on her face. Now imagine if I have mouth odor. It's not nice. Like, it's not, I don't think she's gonna come back if my breath stinks. You need to have a very, 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 very good breath for you to be a makeup artist. Like, you are, for crying out loud, you're talking to this person because it's important that you keep communication with your client to know what they want, to know like how you're doing, it's important. And then imagine trying to talk to her and your breath, she just pulls away. Like, it's not looking nice. The third thing is that as a makeup artist, you need to have good hygiene for your products. Sometimes I really do struggle with it, especially if I have like 4 clients in a day. It's difficult to, I can't have so many makeup sets, brushes sets. So the few I have, they might get finished before the day ends. But even at that, after that day, you have to wash and sanitize your makeup brushes. Clean products are very, very important when you're doing makeup because it speaks well of you. It's like, it's a service that has to do with the skin. So if you're using products that are not good, your client might just be like, nah, she might transfer blemishes to me. I might, because of her makeup, I might start having like irritations and stuff like that. Notwithstanding that, people that still have irritation, regardless whenever they do makeup. There are people that they usually tell me that as long as anything has touched their face, they will usually get like pimple, acne afterwards. But it will just be worse if you are a makeup artist, you're not taking care of your products, you're not cleaning your products, you're not sanitizing and doing all these things you're supposed to do. So that's basically it. You have to be able to clean your products. The next point then will be organizing. I know makeup artists, especially when we're working under pressure, right? There's a lot of mess. You might just use this particular brush at this time, and the next minute you're looking for the brush. It's very normal. Don't beat yourself over it. It's very, very normal for you to be disorganized when you're doing your job as a makeup artist. If you're working from a shop, if you're working in a shop, there are things to facilitate this process, like having shelves and having cabinets and all that. Even at that, with all these things, I still find myself disorganizing the stuff when I'm under pressure, because you'll be like you want to do things fast and then you tend to forget where you kept whatever you took. And because you're trying to save time, sometimes even just putting the lid of your foundation bottles back on is always a hassle. So if you are a makeup artist, you find yourself being pressured, after your pressure, just make sure you organize your stuff, you clean your stuff, you get rid of what you're supposed to get rid of, and at the end of the day you see that your stuff will be organized. Now I'm using a brush because I need to push in the foundation into her skin. I hardly do this, but I just felt it necessary to do it for her because her skin is so flawless, and I just wanted the foundation to sit in. Not meanwhile, I didn't want to use a lot because it was kind of like her first time doing the makeup, and again, I didn't want to scare her. Guys, please, if you're gaining value out of this video, please do me a thumbs up and support this channel by just subscribing, commenting, and sharing the video with your friends. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now I'm applying the concealer, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer. I've used this concealer for so many years. I have many other concealers, but I always come back to this particular concealer. With my beauty blender, I just blend that, dapping that right back into her skin. As you can see, I'm not swiping, I'm just dapping that back into her skin. You can always just do this for an easy blend. The sponge is damp because I want a flawless blend of the concealer. Now I have her open her eyes so that I can get underneath her eyes for an easy blend. It's important to usually blend that underneath the eyes because sometimes it can cause creasing if you don't blend very well, and then the client will end up having lines under her eyes. Now going in with my Banyer product, I'm just setting the places where I apply the concealer on. Guys, I'm so sorry I videoed this. I did this video in portrait, so now I have to edit in landscape because of YouTube. Just pardon me like that. So guys, as I was saying, the next thing you can do as a makeup artist to make sure that your craft is really appreciated is using original products, using products that are skin compliant. So it, especially when it has to do with the foundation and primers, face primers, things that are directly touching the skin. Look at my makeup client was a vibe that she was just feeling her look all the way. I was trying not to do too much. Now going into the lips, I'm looking the BH Cosmetics lip liner. This lip liner is a bomb. I like how smooth it feels on the lips. So talking about original product, sometimes expensive doesn't necessarily mean that the product will be good. You can use drugstores products and you see have a very good makeup result. So don't kill yourself if you're a beginner makeup artist. Like, always just go with your budget, like, and then work your way up to the level where you want to be. With the lips, it takes, people think to do lips it's easy. It takes a while to get that lips that you want. Like, you can see the lip was looking dry for me here, so I decided to put gloss after like blending my powder. The next thing you can do to become a professional makeup artist is that you have to make your client feel comfortable. What I mean is accommodate your client, know when to talk, know when to do silent treatment. Some makeup clients, they take makeup as a therapy, so they just come and sit and then they want to let it out. You have to be able to accommodate your clients. Just me applying the gloss, and I just like how it toned down the lips and it just matched her eye look. So some clients like to talk, some clients like to stay quiet, but however the case, know the makeup client you're dealing with. Also try to like match your foundation with your neck. I know it's kind of impossible, but always try to like get it close to the skin tone, and you can do this by combining between 2 to 3 foundation shades. I do that a lot. I will hardly use one foundation shade with the client. I love this highlighter. It is just giving butter. It is giving butter. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this level. You can drop your own, what you think that can make you a professional makeup artist, or that can make you stand out as a makeup artist. Just drop a comment down below. Do want to subscribe, like and share the video so we can have more views. And if you want makeup wherever you are in the world, please feel free to book me. I'm available to travel. I'm available to like give one-on-one makeup classes. So I really appreciate if you patronize my services, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Viana's Beauty is trying to keep uploading videos, so please do well to like, subscribe and share. Yay! I'll see you